Today we're going to talk about one of our hottest new products, our CNC ported LT1 LT4 throttle body. A ported throttle body is an easy bolt-on modification that is often the first thing people do when they start modifying their car. This application is for the LT1, LT4, and L86, so it fits Camaros, Corvettes, CTSVs, and trucks. The porting of this production throttle body allows for more airflow in the engine, giving you a few more horsepower, and customers have been raving about the throttle response improvement. We CNC port the housing, and we also profile the throttle shaft to reduce the cross-sectional area and improve airflow. This product is available in a lot of our Katech vehicle packages. However, you can also purchase it for your own car at katechengines.com.